Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you a quick and easy method to retrieve your Instagram password in no time. Make sure to stick around and follow each step closely. Please, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with more helpful videos like this one. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Next, select or tap on the Get Help Logging In. Enter the email address you used when you first registered for Instagram. After entering your email, press the Submit button. You should receive a Sent Successfully confirmation. Now, go to your email account and open the email from Instagram. Click on the Reset Password button provided in the email to proceed with resetting your password.
Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to share this video with others. Please follow me and like the video, and stay tuned for more content.